Hello children, today we are going to count twos. We are going to count twos. Can we read together? Count the twos. Count the twos. We are going to count twos. Remember what we did the other time in the other lesson? We were grouping objects in twos. I haven't removed anything from my table, but I want us to remind ourselves first, okay? Let's remind ourselves first. We had a pair of slippers. We had a pair of slippers and we called it a set of two. A set of two. And this set is 1, 2. This is 1, 2. And if there are two pairs, we call them two sets. This one is a set and this one is a set. So we called this one set of two. So they are 1, 2. They are two sets of twos. Two sets of twos. We have just said this is just one set of two. But if I bring this one, they become two sets of twos, okay? And what else did we look at? Apart from that, we also said this set of two is considered to be 1, 2. It is 1, 2. It is 1, 2. We even went ahead and counted the objects in 1, 2. Let's count 1, 2. They are 2. Then when I bring this, they become two twos. 1, 2. They become two twos. And let's count the objects in the two twos. The objects in these two twos. How many sandals are they all together? When we count, they are 4 sandals. They are 4. So two twos are equal to 4. What if they are 3 twos? What if they are 3 twos? What if there are 3 twos? Let me use my scissors here. I get 1 and 2. When I make 2, this one becomes 1, 2. That is 1, 2. I put it aside. Then I get another 1, 2 scissors. I put them together. So far I have, this is 1, 2, 2 twos. 1, 2, there are 2 twos. But we want 3 twos, okay? I get another 1, 2 scissors. I put them together to form a 2, to form 1, 2, to form 1, 2. So I have 3 twos now. I have this one, that is 1. I have another one there. Those are 2 twos now. And the last one. So all together we are having 3 twos. Now when I put them together, let's count the objects. Let's count the objects in the 3 twos, okay? Let's count the objects in the 3 twos. Children, count with me. We are going to count the objects in the 3 twos. This is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count them again. Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 objects. This is 1, 2, another 2, and another 2. When we put them together, we counted the objects and we got 1, 2, 3, 4. First wait. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are getting 6. What if there are 4 twos? What if there are 4 twos? Let me use something now. Let me use my tray here and I get tomatoes. Remember, we also have tomatoes. I am picking 2, 2 to form a 2. This is 1, 2 now. These are 2 tomatoes and they make 1, 2. Okay? But we want 4 twos. So I am getting 2 twos. So this is 1, 2. I put it here. 2 twos. 3. And 4. I put them here. We are now going to count our tomatoes. We are going to count our tomatoes together. I will count as I put down here. And I want all of you to count with me until our tray is empty. We have put 4 twos here. We have put 4 twos. So let's count how many tomatoes we have put all together in the 4 twos. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our tray is empty. That means the 4 twos are giving us 8. What if there are 5 twos? We did so many of them. What if there are 5 twos? Let's use our counting sticks now. Let's use our counting sticks. I will put them here, but you might not be able to see them. I will put them in this tin. Okay. These are 2. They form 1, 2. Okay. These are also 2 and they form another 2. So this is 1. Now these are 2. Three, 4. We want to make 5 twos. Those are 4 so far. 5. Let's count all of them together. Let's count all of them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5 twos are giving us 10. What if there are 6 twos? Six twos. 6 twos. Let me get my beads here. I'm going to get two of them. 6 twos. This time look at the board and we do it from the board. Those are 2. 1, 2. That is 1, 2. 1, 2. That is 1, 2. Another 2. 3. This is 1, 2. This is another 2 and another 2. So far we have 1, 2, 3 twos. But we want to make 6 twos. Let me bring 1, 2. Those are 2 also. But so far we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the last one, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 twos. 6 twos. Now, let's find out how many objects are in the 6 twos. Count with me, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 6 twos give us 12. Very good. We have now counted the twos, but I want us to do something more today, okay? We have counted the twos, but today we are still looking at something about counting the twos. Get your objects ready. Get your objects ready and let's start, okay? Now, we have finished reminding ourselves of the twos. We are still going to count more twos. We are going to count more twos. And I want you to pay attention. Pay close attention, please. Today we are having this. Now, we are going to count twos. We are going to count twos. Remember, yesterday we grouped objects in twos, and now we are counting twos. Before we count what is on our chart, let's count the twos we grouped yesterday. The other day, we had this as a 2. Then we had that other one. We had another one, another one, another one, and another one. All these. Can we count? All these are twos. Let's count the twos. Let's count these twos. That is 1, 2. We are counting together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 6 twos. There are 6 twos. Now, if we are to count the objects in these 6 twos, we have already reminded ourselves, but if we are to count these ones here that we have, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 6 twos give us 12. Okay? Now let's count more twos. We are counting twos so many times so that we can understand the twos so well. That is why we are doing it over and over again. Okay. Now, we are going to count the twos on our chart. These are shoes. They are shoes, and I am sure each of you knows shoes. This is a pair. That's a pair of shoes. They're canvas shoes. That's a pair of shoes. What color are they? Who can tell me the color of the shoes on our chart? They are blue and white. They are blue and white. Now, here we are. We are counting twos. Remember we said if we have two of them, like this, these are sandals, we say this is 1, 2. This is 1, 2. Now, looking at this, this is also 1, 2. It is 1, 2. That is 1, 2. And how many shoes are in the 1, 2? Let's count together. 1, 2. There are 2. So 1, 2. Very good. 1, 2 equals 2. What if we go to our next line? We have 1, 2. They are 2 twos. They are 2 twos, okay? So we shall write two twos, 2 twos. And let's count the objects now in the 2 twos. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 twos give us 4. Let's look at the next line. How many twos do we have on the next line? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Those are 3 twos. And how many shoes are there in the 3 twos? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 twos give us 6. Okay? Let's count more twos. Let's count these ones here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are 4 twos. Those are 4 twos. Let's count the shoes that are in the 4 twos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 twos give us. Let me write a bigger one so that you can all see. 4 twos give us 8. We have this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are 5 twos. There are 5 twos. And how many objects are there? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10. So 5 twos give us 10. Okay? Let's count the next line together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 twos. There are 6 twos. How many shoes are in those 6 twos? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 6 twos give us 12. Now, we have looked at this, but I am going to put for you another chart, a big one, and I will ask you to count the twos. Then you fill in the number of twos. Then you put the answer. You put how many objects are there, okay? Good. This one away.
Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. And Jill came tumbling
Bring
after.
another one.
Came tumbling after.
I bring another one. Yes, have you seen it?
Jack and Jill both put up the will to make the crown funny. Home they walk and stick the broke with jelly, jam, and honey. With jelly, jam, and honey. With jelly, jam, and honey. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a
This one is so big.
water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling
So I have
after. And Jill came tumbling after.
to make sure
Tumbling after.
it is held firmly on our board. I have to make sure it is held
Jack and
firmly
Jill both put up
on
the will
our
to make
board.
the crown funny. Home they walk and stick the broke with jelly, jam, and honey. With jelly, jam, and honey. With jelly, jam, and honey.
Yes. Good. I think we can continue. It is firm now. Let's count the twos again. Let's count the twos again. Children, look at the board and let's count the twos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So those are 7 twos. They are 7 twos. So what shall we write? we must write something there. We must write something there. We have said, we have counted 7 twos, so we shall write 7 twos. Then we shall count the objects. Let's count how many objects are in the 7 twos together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Please count with me, children. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 7 twos have given us 14. So now you are going to fill in all the rest, okay?
Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after.
I need an answer there.
And Jill
I need an answer here.
Jack and Jill both put up the will to make the crown funny. Home they walk and stick the broke with jelly jam and...
Good. But I will help to count with you. I will help you and count with you, okay? Let me help and count with you. Let's count the twos here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many twos are they? You write the twos. Then how many objects are they all together in the 8 twos? Okay? Let's go to the next line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are 9 twos. You fill in the next line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you imagine that next line has 10 of them? 10 twos. Count. Count the shoes in the 10 twos. Let me try counting for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Can you imagine 10 twos? 10 twos are having 20 shoes in them, or 20 objects. Now we go to the next line. Let's count the twos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 twos. 11. There are 11 twos. After that, you write here and then you fill in how many shoes they are all together. Now let's go to the next line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Can you imagine 12 of them, 12 twos? 12 twos. After that, I want you to count. Count the objects in the 12 twos, okay? It is simple work. In fact, I have helped you count. I have helped you count. We have done this together. And I am sure today each of you has understood, because we have used tomatoes, we have used scissors, we have used colored pencils, we have used counting sticks, we have used so many things. We have grouped objects in twos, we counted twos, and we are here back counting twos again. Can you imagine? We have counted the twos so many times. So I am sure this time each of you can fill in all these, okay? Remember to draw better pictures. Remember to write well. Write well. Write better than me, okay? Thank you very much. That is what we had today. Be nice, children. Don't dodge the teacher's work. Bye.